Usage of the Dynamic Text plugin. In Object mode, click on to Add Dynamic Text. A text object will be created. If not already selected, select the object. Change to the Edit mode. Add or replace ordinary text and variable names enclosed by curly braces to your text object. We enter here cube set, rotation, double point, curly brackets, set, rot. Change back to the object mode. Now you see your just defined variables with a value 0.00. To modify the variable content, go to the Object Data Property panel, which is indicated by a A. In section Dynamic Text Markers, you see the variables you just defined. The numeric field value may be changed after you see the value in the object. By changing the format field according to the printf syntax, you may control the output format of your value. But this is only the half functionality. To show dynamic changes, we need to add an additional object from which we want to display the set rotation property. In our example, we add a cube to the scene. Let's move our text object a little off the center. To bind the set rotation of the cube to the variable set rot, we use a driver. Click with the right mouse button onto the value in the Object Data Property panel and click onto Add Driver, or choose Edit Driver if a driver is already applied. In the upcoming dialog, we first select the object from which we want to show the properties. Then we choose the property we want to display. For now, nothing appears to happen. But if we turn the cube around the z-axis, the value in our dynamic text object will change. Because the unit the rotation delivers is not degrees, but radians, we need to convert it into degrees. Now we see the value we expect.